absolute legends. Congratulations. Becoming a brand new lifter means you've accepted that you need to get stronger. And you talked to a coach and had the first session probably in person. And you bought a pair of shoes and bought a belt to help with your new journey onto the strength game. What does your first workout look like? Your first workout should consist of the 4 major lifts, and it's going to be a test workout just to learn the lifts, get started learning the lifts, and to find some weights that are going on there. So your first workout is going to consist of a low bar squat, a press, a deadlift, and a bench. This is probably one of the few times you will do all 4 lifts in the first session. In fact, the majority of your training, you'll probably only perform 2 or 3 of these lifts. But this is one of the few days that you're going to do all 4 lifts. Now, your squat should start out under the direction of your coach, wearing your shoes with just no bar, doing the squat warm-up, elbows inside the knees. And then you do the empty bar. Do that for a set of 5. And then you put 10 pounds, 15 pounds, or 25 pounds on each side of the bar, depending on your age, you know, how strong. Just take a guess. Do a set of 5 with that. And then put a little more weight on the bar. Do a set of 5. And keep putting on the bar 10, 15, 30 pounds at a time, just kind of going up and up, doing sets of 5. You are getting practice in doing the exercise correctly while adding weight to the bar. Now, there will be a point where you will do a set of 5 at a weight that we say is moderate. Not easy, not hard, but moderate. Meaning that if you could, you probably could have done 10 reps, and the 10th rep would have been your last rep. That would be considered a moderate rep there. If you do a set of 5, and you're like, I could keep going forever, you need to add more weight in the bar. If you do a set of 5, and after the 5th rep, you say, I could do 3 more reps. And that's where you stop. And that's where you end your first workout as a new lifter. Whatever that weight is, write that weight down to your journal because you bought a journal. You do the same thing for the press. You start out by learning the finished position of the press, learning the start position of the press, starting with just the bar, adding 5, 10 pounds to each side of the bar. Again, until you get to a weight of 1 set of 5 at a moderate intensity. With the same sort of idea, if you do a set of 5 on press with 100 pounds, and you say to yourself when you rack it, I could have done 10 more reps, then add a little bit more weight to the bar and do another set of 5. Again, you're practicing the movement while you're learning your starting strength levels. For the deadlift, you guessed it. You go through the 5-step deadlift progression with your coach. You begin with a set of 5, maybe just 25-pound plates, 95 pounds total on the bar. Do a set of 5 and do 135, and maybe do 165. Again, doing the same thing, working up to 1 set of 5 at a moderate intensity where you are learning how to do the lift, learning how to interact with your coach, learning how it feels on your shoes, how the bar feels in your hand. All these little things you're learning here. And you guessed it, do the same thing with the bench. You work up to a set 5, 1 set of 5 at a moderate intensity. Again, this is mostly a learning day. You are learning how to do the lifts. You are learning what a good starting weight is. And you are learning from your coach and also just interacting, things like that. This could be a 90-minute session. This is probably one of the longer sessions. And this is one of the few sessions where you'll do all 4 lifts. I hope this helps. Thank you.